name of liberty, marching on as if they should mix in the dirt our brother's blood in the mud and rain. What are we fighting for? Is it worth the pain? Is it worth dying for? Who will take the blame? Why did they make a war? Questions that come again. Should we be fighting at all? Once a plowman hitched his team, here he sowed his little dream. Got his arms and legs are strewn where mustard gas and barbed wire bloom. Each moment's like a year, I've nothing left inside but tears.